Today's story is about a man who sold his time for gold and lost everything that truly mattered. Samuel was a very poor man. He lived in a small, broken house with his family. Every night, he looked at his children and felt sad. He had no money to buy them good food or clothes. He often prayed, "Please, I want to be rich. I want a better life." One evening, while Samuel was walking home, he met a mysterious old man. The man was wearing a long black coat. He held out a gold coin and said, "Samuel, I can give you 1 gold coin for every hour you give me. But remember, that hour will be taken from your life." Samuel was desperate. He agreed immediately. Soon, Samuel became very wealthy. He bought a massive mansion and expensive clothes. He spent his days counting his gold coins. But he was so busy making money that he stopped spending time with his wife and children. He kept saying, "I am doing this for their future." Years passed like minutes. One day, Samuel looked in the mirror. He was shocked. His hair was white, and his face was full of wrinkles. He had sold too many hours of his life. He looked at his daughter, but she was now a grown woman. He realized he had missed her entire childhood for pieces of gold. Samuel ran to find the old man. He cried, "Take all my gold back. Just give me my time. I want to play with my children. I want to talk to my wife." The old man smiled sadly and said, "Time is a gift, Samuel. Once it is sold, it can never be bought back." Samuel spent his last few days sitting in his garden with his family. He had no gold left, but he was finally happy. He realized that money can buy a house, but it cannot buy a home. It can buy a watch, but it cannot buy time. Friends, remember this: time is more valuable than money. Use your time to love, to laugh, and to live. Don't wait for tomorrow to be happy. If you liked this story, please subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.